Monzo, how to deposit cash. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can deposit cash on Monzo, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you would like to deposit the cash on Monzo, it's actually quite simple. You can do this using the Monzo web banking or the mobile banking as well. So you can open the Monzo application here, and first of all you need to make sure that you sign into your mobile banking of Monzo. So to do that, you can tap the I already have an account option here, and then from there on make sure to simply enter and put your email address inside of it. And once you enter your email address, you can tap the next option here, and as you tap the next option you should be able to enter other details, log into your account, and there you'll find the option to deposit the money. Now if you have linked a card, that's even easier. You can directly go ahead and tap the deposit money option. You'll find the options such as maybe you want to make a check deposit or something like that, and that way you should be able to deposit money to Monzo. This way you can go ahead and then actually deposit cash on Monzo. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.